Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Monday 11th of June. And what's Solana doing right now? We are having some sort of a pumps here and whatnot, so I'm just gonna try to make sense out of this, what's going on. So number one is to take the fib retracement and take the bottom all the way to the top right there and try to figure out what's really going on in here. So last time, the best thing about this one is that you ended up making a bounce off the 0.618, and that was pretty much a nice good bounce all the way up here to the 0.236. Can you see that? So $38. And right now what you're doing is not something good. First of all, yeah, you're coming down to 0.382, but on the same time you're putting in 3 black rows, which is a continuation pattern. As a matter of fact, we do have a bear flag as well. So you came down like this on the 4-hour time frame and you made that bear flag. So the next technical target of this bear flag is going to be from there to there. You're looking for a technical target to come down here to nearly $34.18, and that's actually going to make Solana lose the 0.382 and potentially come down to $33.28 as well. All in all, we have to actually keep a check on two different stop losses here that's gonna play a very big role. Now, number one, I'm not in the favor of this thing to continue any way higher, and in my opinion, if I dive into the 1-hour time frame, we do have a double top scenario. So let's go into the 1-hour time frame right there. Yeah, so you do have this first top here, second top, and it pretty much has lost that level. Yeah, so really things are looking so bad, really bad. So from there to there, you do have the double top, and the double top technical target as well takes you from the highest point to the lowest point here. And this is where you're breaking out again, $33.48, right? So what are the stop losses level that I'm looking for in a 4-hour time frame are the following. So it's gonna be this one. It's even better to trade it. I mean, come on, you do even not to trade is a better idea, because you do have bear flag, double top, not a good idea. But then again, if you start to take out 33.04, that's really negative. Even way more bad if you take 30.93, and even worse if you try to take out 25.96. And these are going to be the last final places you're going to see Solana try to dump all the way to the downside. Now keep in mind, we've talked about Solana with a technical target of coming down to $7 as well. So it can actually be a preparation of that one to move even lower. So it is what it is. I'm just going to actually bring one trend line here. So let's do that very quickly. Yeah, here we are. So this is the trend line that might be the only support for Solana at the moment on a 4-hour time frame. So somehow you can actually come down to 34, try to bounce off it, and you're going to actually create a very big suspense here, which you're going to have a reply or a decision coming by 16th of July in 5 days. So keep in mind, I don't know why I do have some guts feeling that it's going to lose this level and try to go down. But we're going to see in the next 5 days how this pattern is going to play out. And that's it for today's Solana video update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.